Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 78 K1500. Right here, the stereo, heater fan. There's your gauges over there. You got 30 pounds oil pressure. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Here's your wipers. There's your horn. There's your dome light. Turn on the exterior lights. We've redone the seat, the dash, door panel's been repainted, so new carpet, so really doesn't need anything on the interior. Engine runs like a watch. I've drove this about 40 miles, so runs and drives good. And you see it's got headers on it. We did some dual exhaust work to it. Got a 350. Here's your headlights. Does have a shut off if you want to shut it off, so you got no power if it's sitting. New tires, rally wheels. There's your exhaust. You can see your tail light. Just a nice driver truck. It's one that if you want to fix the rust and repaint it, you can have a really nice truck. Otherwise, just drive it the way it is. This switch here is for the fuel gauge. I don't know why they added that, but it is. See, if you switch it over that way, then it goes to there. And only one tank is operational. So, any questions? Give me a call, 605-695-7391.